day. I didn't film anything yesterday because I just went to Michael's and he was super sick. And there was nothing to film. And just to give the camera a break for a day. So I'm back. And we're back at school because we didn't have school yesterday. Bruh. So I don't have my phone and I don't have directions. Alright, I have no idea how to get home because I'm going to my mom's right now, or I'm going to Michael's, but I'm going to mom's. I'm going to the West Bank. I don't know how to get home. I got my phone taken, and they take it for a week at my school, but I'm getting it back tomorrow, hopefully, since I'm going on a college visit this weekend. But dude, I'm like screwed. I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna get home. So y'all are my only entertainment for the next 2 days. Kill me, literally kill me. I arrived.
Oh yeah, I have these too if you want these.
Guys, I made it home.
No. At least you have your camera.
I know. I was literally signing.
No phone.
Yeah, no phone. I made it home though. Totally, this is my home now. I live here.
Barely. I said how did you make it here?
I told you, I only know how to get to your house. I don't know how to go anywhere else on the West Bank.
Fair enough.
I don't even know how to get to my own house.
Really?
No.
Your house is easy to get to from here.
I get that from here, but I have to go to your house first.
Yeah, it's still, you know how to get to your house. Everything's great. We're gonna go get a car.
Yeah, Michael's gonna get a car though.
Car time.
Car time.
Just gotta wait for my dad.
Yay. And then we're gonna get some car vlogs. Michael,
Yes, you do.
how you feel?
I feel great.
You like your new car?
Yeah. It's
Damn,
very cool.
it's so cool.
Oh wow.
Oh, damn.
Hi.
This
It's brushing time.
Show us how you brush your teeth, Michael.
Hi, girlfriend.
Yeah, guys, this is my boyfriend.
My girlfriend is so pretty.
Michael.
Look how pretty she is.
What's the rating today? 8. And it's melted. You need to try it without being melted. We have lunch on the lawn in like 5 minutes. And I forgot my beach blanket thing in the car. So hopefully they let me go grab it. Because I need to be a good big sister. Vibes. Why is it cold? And they didn't bring back drinks. I'm thirsty, bro. Where?
Actually cold.
Yeah, it's
that's
cold
so
pizza. I know.
My pizza was good as fuck. When I had lunch on, oh my god, I had like 3 pieces.
Okay,
Some days I'm up, some days I'm down.
Update, guys. I did in fact get my phone back. I'm so excited. But now Kayla is going to go lay down and rest. Good night. So I got some lunch this morning. Now I'm going to do some work. And guess who got a 100? The first try on her math quiz. Me.
Grab a ball and come on.
Bro. So gross right now. I'm like definitely gonna change and stuff. No, I just shed. You do talk a lot in your sleep. Like, I know, I got it from her.
Right, you won't burn yourself.
What the fuck is happening in here?
She's chicken, then I'm gonna burn her, Kayla.
Got to Ole Miss, and we forgot to print out the parking pass, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Right now, we are heading to the student union, even though we're an hour early, and we're gonna take a look around. Slay. Look at my name tag.
I got these. These are for my brother.
What's for your brother?
This is for my brothers. These are cheap. I think I can go through these tonight.
Jake! I am so tired. We are almost home, but I'm heading to Michael's when I get home. And because I'm a good girlfriend. This is the fit. I am going to Michael's wrestling tournament. Slay. Okay, I took my medicine. I realized I didn't have any breakfast, so this is my breakfast. Monster. Some turkey bites.
I have like 20 more matches until I wrestle.
How are you? Oh my god. You're so cool. What's up, broski? What you doing? He's like, let me out. Let me out, please. Oh my goodness. Hi. I don't want to like... Michael, what are we doing?
Shopping.
What are we shopping for? We got matching ranger antlers. Slay. Success! Now, let's go decorate for Christmas. But I'm excited. Yay! Michael, look at me. Wait.
We got it. We got the stuff.